Guys, welcome back to my channel. And many of my subscribers has queries regarding face shaving process, and a lot of them are battling with razor bumps and razor burns and irritation. Razor bumps are basically ingrown hair that developed after hair removal techniques like plucking, hair waxing and razor shaving. After hair removal, the hair curl inwards into the skin and that causes bumps to form. Some people also face the redness and the pustules and itchiness and the red bumps over the shaved area. So this video is all about preventing the razor burns, bumps and irritation. First step that I follow before shaving my face is face wash. The second step to exfoliate. Exfoliation is very crucial step that removes ingrown hair and dead skin cells. Here I am using the Body Shop Tea Tree 3-in-1 Wash Scrub Mask Face Wash. Make sure that you properly exfoliate the area because dead skin clog your hair follicle, which results in the trapping of your hair under the skin. Removing dead skin cells will not only ensure that the hair follicle is in the best condition for hair removal, but will also allow for normal growth post-shave. This is a clay-based product. You can use it as a face wash or a scrub or a mask. So I will leave it on the face for 5 minutes and then wash it off. The third step of my facial hair removal is to steam up my face. You can also damp the hot water cloth on your face. I am using a local steamer, and steaming is very important. It softens facial hair, making it easier to shave. The fourth step to disinfect the razor. We usually forget disinfecting the razor, which results in deposition of bacteria. I use isopropyl alcohol as disinfectant and I will directly pour it onto the razor and will keep it aside for 5 minutes. After all these steps, I apply aloe vera gel all over my face and then use razor. I have used this Wow aloe vera gel and it's a transparent aloe vera and they claims that it has 99% of aloe vera. Next, grab your facial razor and hold it at roughly a 45-degree angle against the skin. Use short strokes, light strokes and shave the hair in the direction that it grows. And mark my words, shaving doesn't make hair grow and thicker or darker. I generally use this razor for my upper lips, my face and my eyebrows. And lastly, I apply some moisturizer all over my face in patting motion, and moisturization is really a very important step in order to calm down the inflammation and redness. I really love using this Earth Rhythm Snail Mucin post shave. It's anti-inflammatory, so used to calm down the skin. I have already talked about snail mucin in my previous video, but for your knowledge, let me tell you. Snail mucin is said to do everything from feeding dark spots and scar to plumping creases and battling acne. It's a all-rounder product. So guys, that's all for today's video and thank you so much. See you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.